whose birth we celebrate during this special time. We ask for your presence to be with us as we come together to share the joy and fellowship of this Christmas party. Lord, bless this gathering with laughter, warmth, and a spirit of unity. May the festivities bring us closer as friends, family, and co-workers, and may the love and joy of the season shine through every interaction. Help us to remember the true meaning of Christmas and to reflect your love and kindness in all that we do.
Sinasabi ay ang paborito ko po ay pag sinasabi na mga senior citizens po ang pupuntahan natin. Alam niyo po kasi, kayo po yung mga malalambing. Actually, parang napansin ko, mas mahiyain pa nga kayo eh. Parang nahihiya pa kayo. Alam niyo, pag bumababa kami sa ibang barangay, inuubos nila ako. Yung amoy ko, talagang sinisipot nila, nagayakap, pinahalikan. Gusto ko po yun. Kung anong kaligayahan na maibigay ko sa aking presensya. Dalawa na aking apo, isang lalaki at saka isang babae. Kaya alam ko kung ano ang nasa puso nyo kapag